already had a number of them submitted so far. I mean, how important, Wes, do you feel it is to grow your social media presence for, you know, for us as drummers online, building a presence, obviously scaling that as well?
Yeah, I think it's very important. It's you have to really, like, for me, I had to get to a place and ask myself, like, what do I want? Like, social media for me is literally a tool. I don't really care for the. I mean, it's cool to keep in touch with people, but I'm not really trying to like just, oh, I'm on here, look at me. You know what I'm saying? Like,
for sure,
it's important because for me, impact is important. Number one. So it's like the way, if I'm going to impact, that's why I stay so consistent. Even the times that I don't want to get, I'm honestly not a social media, not a technical person. I'm not a technology type.
You and me both.
Yeah. If I didn't have this job, 9 times out of 10, I wouldn't have social media. Wow. But it's, I don't want to just be on here just to be on here. So I want to try to help motivate. I want to try to help inspire. So for me, it's very important for me to have a presence. Like, I want people to see that you don't have to play for the major artists to still have a presence. I've had the opportunity to do that. Some worked out, some didn't. And I got to a place where it's just, I'm just cool with being me.
Yeah.
So if I find somebody to be themselves on here and be consistent and show them that, listen, you can still grow a huge following. You can still be active. You can still tour. You can still do all of these things. And you don't have to have every single huge endorsement. You don't have, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I rock with us. Like,
we're rocking. Yeah. Oh, we're rocking and rolling. But yes, no, but I love where it's coming from. It's a place of love. It's the truth, isn't it? You know, just being yourself is so powerful. I mean, so many of us throwing love in the comments, you know, Lionel, impact, just that term impact. I mean, our slogan's always been impact your sound, Wes, because that's what it's always about. You know, I'm a drummer, you're a drummer. Yeah. It's that connection, you know, it's so much more about that relationship piece than really anything else. I think relationships, and I've spoken to many musicians, and one stands out, a real close friend of mine says, relationships are the currency of today. And I just think that is just such a powerful statement.
I like that.
Yeah, absolutely.